A. And what next?
What's next? What are you spelling?
What next?
What are you spelling?
Deer.
Deer. Deer.
I.
That's right. Good. Now what are you going to spell?
Dad.
Okay, make a space. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now, how do you spell dad?
D. A. And B.
Okay.
And space.
And space. What are you going to tell dad?
I.
Okay.
I.
Okay. What else are you going to say?
Love.
Okay. How do you spell love?
L. O. V. M. E.
Okay. All right, what else are you going to say? I love
U.
Okay.
Y. O. U.
I love you. Good job. Are you done? What else are you going to put on there?
No.
Put enter. I love you.
I love you.
What else? From, okay.
F. A.
From.
I. And what next?
I don't know, you tell me.
What next?
From.
O.
Yeah.
And what next?
What are you doing, Jimena? From.
N.
From who?
Chum Chum.
No. Who? What's your name?
Fanboy.
Your fanboy?
Yes. Chum Chum.
And you're Chum Chum? Who are you?
Chum Chum.
You're Chum Chum?
Yeah.
And who is he?
Fanboy.
Fanboy and Chum Chum?
Boom. Yeah.
You guys are silly. Okay. Fanboy's playing on the computer. Good job.
Fanboy. A. N.
And
D.
you're running? Okay. Chum Chum fell down. You okay? Go running.
What happened?
It's okay. Go ahead.
Chum Chum.
From Fanboy and?
Chum Chum.
Okay.
D.
C.
H.
H. You're running?
Yeah. And U. And M.
And M. Are you fast, Jimena? Okay, go, go, go.
and U and M.
Good job. What does your story say? Your note. What does it say?
Chum chum.
Now read the whole thing. What does it say?
Chum chum.
I know. Read from the beginning of your note. From the top.
D-H-U-M. D-E-A.
No, not like that. Say dear. Not like those. Don't spell
Dear
it.
Dad, I love you. One family and Chum chum.
Good job. Okay. Bye, Bennett.